Should I start my video with a close-up of plants? Like what other people do? Ooh, look at that. Look at the sunshine through there. Well, summer is officially over. I'm actually happy about that. You know, a month before summer's over, I'm kind of getting sick of the heat. I drew up a basic little thing that is definitely not to scale properly, but I have an idea to do some onions kind of on a side, garlic, beetroot, capsicum, chili. Don't know what's going here yet because I probably need more onions. The onions, you'll see that I've already started planting wrong. But yeah, I need to make things more categorized. But basically, here's things that I want in here. I've got some seeds and my garlic. All of these things that I'm planting in here are from the seed collection. I've already planted capsicum and chili. I had some helpers. Some little helpers wanted to help me plant things.
I'm pretty sure he's rolling on a rat carcass. Oh yes, look. Oh yay, how fun is this? We have a dead rat skeleton to play with. Oh, dogs.
Yes, careful. All around, even in here in the corner. That's it.
Don't put some dirt on the leaf.
We can do this, we can knock it off. Can you tell me what you're doing?
Peeling garlic.
Yeah. Peeling the skin off the garlic so we can do what?
Peeling.
Yeah. So there's one clove.
Can I eat one?
No, not yet. I need to plant some first, okay? Pull some. I've grown some onions, well attempted to, right? I'm sort of trialing between raising seedlings like this and direct sowing because I don't have enough here. I'm going to have to direct sow. Cream golds I have. And then red marksman onions. Like look at that, I've only got, one died. 2 out of 6. I think, oh, look, another one tried as well. So I'm just going to keep these bays going, but take out the ones that have sprouted and put them in my new garden bed. And my bunching onion. These ones. 2 rows. Oh, don't you love the sound of kookaburras? So I'll have to put all of these.
I did chili. And then capsicum. Rock melon. And I did garlic. Like 2 rows of like one garlic plant thing. And I think that's it. I think. So I'm going to work out where to put all these guys. Now I do realise that what I've used isn't the best. I feel like it's a wonder that anything I've tried to sprout in here has grown. Because look at that, it doesn't even hold together. So it's probably a bit of my own fault that some seeds haven't come up. But yeah, next time, like I know that this is a problem. I won't make this again. But I was using what I had. That's my only excuse. I was using what I had. So I have the cream golds in 3 rows and then red marksmans. I've put in the little things I've had. Now I'm just going to put in seeds to fill in the rest of the lines or rows. He thinks life is all about sticks and throwing balls. Bunching onion, I think, can go right beside these guys. I don't even know what bunching onion is. Is it kind of like, I don't know, spring onions or chives or something? Is it like chives? I don't know. I guess I'll find out. I should have known this when I was buying it, hey, but no. I still got cells here that haven't sprouted, so I'm going to keep watering them to see if the seeds will eventually come up. And hopefully I haven't wasted those seeds. Okay, bunching onion, done. Onto my beetroot. Beetroot Detroit. It is windy. I'm putting them in here somewhere, kind of. I don't know how many I want, but anyway. Ugh. See how hydrophobic this is? Like, for the initial, it just doesn't like water to start off with. With soil that does that, is it better to try and get it moist before you plant? Or do you just push through and keep doing it? Because I've done it. It happened there when I did my garlic. But now it seems to be okay. It's soaking in fine. Honest question. If it's hydrophobic, should I have tried to soak it up before I put plant seeds in there? Quick update on this little garden as well. I'm sniffing my nose because my eardrum I have trouble with my eardrum. Anyway, I've put some lettuce seeds along here. And I think in the front here I did put some creeping thyme because clearly there's way too much distance with some things, you know, and my nasturtium, I've never grown one of these. I don't know what they're supposed to look like. Is he looking healthy? Anyway, I did plant another cauliflower in here because you know what? I had a few things die. And I'm going to be honest, I can't remember what is what now. I originally put cauliflower there and then something died. And then I think I just went over to cabbage and now I've forgotten. I think I had no cauliflower left in there. So I've got a seed that's supposed to be sprouting over there. NEWBIE tomatoes. They've just gone really quickly growing lately. Really cool. I don't know what I planted right there, but I don't know if I need more tomatoes. Is it too close if I put another tomato in there? I feel like I need another one in there or something. Maybe I'll do that. And these spots. Should I be worried about that? Is this what they call the powdery mildew? I'm not sure. But yeah, what is that? Should I really be worried about this? I hope not, but I did watch a video of somebody treating powdery mildew with milk, like milk, actual milk, just not being pasteurized or anything. So if that's the case, well, I don't have that available. But yeah, should I be worried? Oh no, look. Here's one of my... I'm going to have to keep these leaves away. See if this can grow. I need to learn how to not babble too much as well and just be like, get to the point. Think of what you're going to say. Say it right. You know? So that might be it for now, unless I can think of what else to put in here. I don't just want to go willy-nilly. I want to actually plan this properly and put stuff in there. So I might see you on the next one.
Say bye-bye. Good boy, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. Bye. Oh, Henry doesn't want to talk today.